Hey guys, this is a We2 marker, we past paper question. Actually a really nice one. Don't know why, but when people look at it, they're always like, what do I do? How do I do it? And that's kind of the problem with the recent papers, right? The questions aren't like things you've seen before, but you should think about what information you're given, what formulas you know, how do you apply it, okay? So it's actually something you could have done at GCSEs. So it says, a receiver at sea level receives microwaves from a satellite in circular orbit 68 milliseconds after they're transmitted. What is the height of the satellite? For me, to help me solve the problem, to figure out what to do, I always draw a picture, right? So a receiver at sea level. So there's my receiver at sea level. It says receives microwaves from a satellite. So there's my sea level on the surface of the Earth. I have some satellite that is going to be orbiting the Earth. A terrible, weird picture, but makes sense to me. Some satellite orbiting the Earth. And it says that it receives microwaves 68 milliseconds after transmitted. So the satellite transmits some microwaves. They're going to hit the receiver at sea level 68 milliseconds after they've been transmitted. So what I was given here was a time, and it wants me to figure out what is the height of that satellite. So I'm trying to do is figure out what is the height of that satellite. What is the distance of that satellite? So I hope you're thinking, and I'm given time and height. The equation I know is speed is distance divided by time. So I'm trying to figure out what this distance is, what this height is. All you do is speed times by time. Think about the only information I'm given is milliseconds. You're told they're microwaves. Okay, so hope you're thinking microwaves. I learned that way back in GCSEs. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves. They all travel at the same speed. Same speed as the speed of light. So the speed is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Times by the time was 68 milliseconds. Milli, remember, is times 10 to the power of -3. So that's how we can figure out what our distance is. All we have to do is multiply those two numbers together. So all I had to do was 68 times 10 to the power of -3. And I have to multiply by 3 times 10 to the power of 8 to figure out what that height is. And I get 20.4 times 10 to the power of 6 meters. So grand.